Hi guys, Wendeley from Dbimmer Reliefnett here with a nightcap for reflection. Tonight I was hoping you could reflect on failure and how we see it.
Failure is a step forward, not the end. Let's talk about failure, a word that carries so much weight in our society. We've been conditioned to see failure as something shameful, something to avoid at all costs. But in reality, failure is one of life's greatest teachers, and it's a fundamental part of personal growth. Stoic principles emphasize that failure isn't an endpoint, it's a stepping stone. Think about it this way. Each time you fail, you're not just failing. You're learning about the situation, learning about yourself, and understanding how to approach things differently the next time. Epictetus once said, "Difficulties show a person's character," meaning that how you handle failure reveals more about your strength than the failure itself. If you view failure as a dead end, then of course it's going to feel crushing. But if you see it as an essential part of the journey, a learning experience, then every setback becomes an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. In today's world, where we're constantly bombarded with stories of success, whether it's on social media, in business, or in our personal lives, it's easy to feel like you're falling behind if things don't go perfectly. You see someone achieving something and think, "Why can't that be me?" But here's a truth most people won't tell you. Behind almost every success story, there are countless failures that went unseen. Those people you admire, they've probably failed more times than you realize. The difference is that they didn't let failure define them. They didn't give up when things got hard. They took those failures, learned from them, and kept going. This is one of the most powerful Stoic rules. Resilience in the face of adversity is what separates those who succeed from those who don't. Failure, when embraced with the right mindset, is not the opposite of success. It's a critical part of it. Every time you stumble, you gain insight into what doesn't work, and that knowledge is invaluable. It sharpens your strategy for next time. So whether you're starting a new business, learning a new skill, or navigating through relationships, failure is inevitable. It's part of the process. Think about how much more empowered you'd feel if, instead of fearing failure, you saw it as necessary progress. Modern Stoicism teaches us to detach our self-worth from our outcomes. In other words, just because you failed at something doesn't mean you are a failure. There's a big difference between failing and being a failure, and the line is drawn by how you respond